Still struggling building client edge reports and like spending hundreds of dollars in multiple tools trying to stitch one report and still not sure whether your client is reading the report or not? Let me show you a better way which will save your hours of manual work every month. So ParseBase will take you from your raw data to complete report within minutes. Once you drop in Google Ads, Meta Ads, TikTok Ads reports, it will create a presentation, and then it's not stopping there. You can share a link or export a PDF. If you share a link, it will give you complete list of analytics like how your client is reading your report, like which page it's spending more time and how they are doing it. Let me give you a quick demo of showing how to build customized client ready report and share it with your client. Let's go to dashboard. Now we are in the ParseBase dashboard. I'll just quickly drag and drop Google Ads campaign report here. Once it's uploaded, ParseBase will automatically detect it's a Google Ads file and it will build custom insights for us. So like if you see here, we have custom insights of every kind on which we can create a client report. I'll go quickly into the presentation and we'll create our first presentation by selecting one marketing template for Google Ads monthly report. Here we click create presentation and you can see like it created a custom presentation with our files data. Like you don't need to do anything, with just one click it's done. And now the another great part is I already created brand here, but you can always update and create your own. So once you like create your brand, it will apply the stylings and fonts and whatnot here. You can see the custom styling of fonts here. uh, and now if you want, you can preview your stuff once your presentation is ready. And once you are good with it, you can like change the data and stuff. But like once you are good with it, you can share it either via exporting just raw PDF or share it via link. I'll just go quickly do a link, and over here it's saying like we don't have any published version yet, so we have a version control in the presentation. So let's say you created a presentation and then like it didn't work out, you want to roll it back to previous version, you can do it. So I'll show you that. So this is Google Ads report, I would say. And you can basically select different types of authentication layer: public, password, email, domain restricted. For email, you can just give it a email addresses that you want it to access. For domain, it's more sort of fine grained control on like which particular domain of your organization can access it. And then let's say we go with public for now, and you can select your brand. I already created one link brand here. I'll show you later how to do it. On permission, you can allow PDF export. You can disable analytics if you want, but we'll keep it now. On the life cycle, like if you select the default time, you can select it. Let's say in the next 2 days link should automatically expire. For comments, you can enable or disable comments. Allow contextual comments. This is another different stuff that we built here. It's like user can comment on a particular part of your presentation. Let's say on a particular KPI, they can pin the comment so that you know like user are talking about this KPI. Like it's not a random in general comment, it's comment on one particular thing. And then you can enable or disable email to comment and stuff. So once you create the link, it will be created, and your link will be automatically copied in your clipboard. You just go and open up the link, and here this is your brand's homepage. Like this is no ParseBase powered by ParseBase or something. You will see this links and this social media and your footer. You can customize everything. You can customize the header of this message, you can customize this body, you can customize this logo, everything. And once your client opens the report, everything feels like it is meant for them. It is created by you, from fonts and everything. You can see the complete report here. It's not like a standard like you can say standard template that everyone is reusing or AI generated stuff. It's proper client ready report. And you can see like comment section here, like user can easily comment it. I'll show you what I meant by contextual comments. So let's say user want to do comments on this total wasted spend. They can just click and they can maybe enter their name, and now like they are saying what's going on, right? So now they particularly commented on this part. Let's say if they want to jump in, you can see it. Now we'll move to ParseBase dashboard to see how you can see the analytics. So you can see your link is active right now in your shared link dashboard. We are looking overall picture of how your link is doing. We see one total views, when it was created, is active or not. And first we are seeing the comment section. So we got one comment from user Mitul, what's going on, and that is on a particular KPI, which is how did we do this month. And if you let's say want to reply, you can easily reply it from here. Let's say still need to check or something like that. You send a reply, and then like if you want to follow this comment, like which element or what part of the presentation it's talking about, you can just click, it will follow your lead and go there. And over here now you can see your reply is also there. So that's good. We'll go to more in-depth analytics, and over here you can see you can change this analytics. Right now we have one view. We have different filters from last 24 hours, 7 days to like custom date range. You can go, you can see how your users are basically viewing your presentation, total views, unique viewers, your average time. Now if we move down, like which browser, what OS, which country, it's totally complete holistic view of your shared link. Now the crazy, or I would say the nice part that I don't think much or anyone is providing in a single tool, your presentation analytics, like how many unique viewers are there, like what's the average time the user is spending to view the entire presentation, and then like which part of the presentation has more attraction versus which one is user skipping. So if you go slide by slide, the first slide, which is obvious, like people land there, they view, they might go. So attention is 100% on this one, because like average time is 31 second. On the other slides the attention is low, like user never reached the sixth slide technically, because like the attention is very very low, they quickly exited the page from here. And you can also see from where the user is coming. Right now it's anonymous, but based on their traffic pattern we can see it's like it's from Canada and stuff. So like this was complete analytics. Like you are not, now you are not blind on what your user doing with your presentation. On the next run, let's suppose that like user are not looking at slide 3 or maybe slide 5 due to some reason, you can improve that slide and reshare the stuff. Also like now you don't need to do lots of back and forth between your emails, because your comments and all the follow-ups are in the single channel. Like now you drop the CSV, you build the complete presentation, you check the analytics, you check the numbers, you share the link, so everything is under one platform. Now I'll show you like how the branding works. So on the link I created one custom brand. You can do n number of brands as you like. So I gave the brand name, this is your company name, and then you can upload the logo, your icons, you can create your custom theme, you can upload a custom font like however you like, and then like how you want this layout to be. So let's say you want just logo in the center, and then like logo only, no name, like on the top center, on the top right. Like you can customize this anyhow. Like you can add a custom link on the messaging ad on the main heading section, main page, home page. Like you can customize the tagline, your hero title, welcome message, everything. And you can also add the visitors button. Like over here if we go to this report section, you can see this visitors button. You can name this anything. Like right now I said like visitors, but you can say follow up or whatever. Like you can add any custom URL, you can add your support email, you can add your page title, then social links and everything. This page should look like your agency page or your custom page. It shouldn't feel like it's coming from ParseBase. That's our goal. And we have a custom asset library. So over here right now I just uploaded Google Ads logo and one custom font. You can upload any logo, or like how many logos you want to add, you can do it. The same way we have like separate brand setting for presentation. We have separate for link. You can always do one thing, you can derive the brand from the presentation. So let's say you have a presentation brand, you can select that and you can copy over some features, and then you can build on top of that, so you don't need to do rework. So yeah, this was complete end-to-end Google Ads walkthrough, like how you can just drop the file and build a custom report that look like your agency report that meant for that client and not for like any generic template. You can track, you can like see how your users are performing and check everything. I want to show you one more stuff which I forgot. In analytics you can check another thing, which is downloads. Over here it will say number of downloads. So let's say if I downloaded this PDF, it started the download. Once this download complete, like it was reported back to ParseBase, and you will see the file that users are seeing. Like your client can download the file, and over here if we refresh this, in the analytics you can see the downloads, and on the bottom you can actually see this user has actually downloaded the file. So now you have very fine grain analytics of which user is interested in what and how they are doing stuff. So we are running currently 14 days full free trial. You can do everything that I showed you. So I highly encourage, please go to parsebase.io and benefit from this trial and drop your files, try to build customized report and do the stuff. Thank you for listening. If you liked it, please share it with your friends, your colleagues, whoever will benefit from this, and see you in the next video. Thanks.